Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. As the title say, today is going to be a get ready with me. My photographer invited me out. He invited out a few people to come out to a small dinner of people that are in Savannah, and I actually said yes. You guys already know that I don't get out much, so I wanted to do something a little different, and I actually ended up enjoying myself. So I'm sharing with you guys the beginning process of getting ready. Of course, I had to get everything together with the house. I took a shower. Thank you so very much to my friend Rachel for watching the boys while I got an opportunity to step out for a couple of hours. But I'm brushing my hair, prepping for my ponytail, and then after I will be doing my makeup.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed.
Alright you guys, I am just going to go ahead and quickly do my makeup. Instead of me trying to sit here and do my makeup like a whole lot and go into details, I'll go ahead and give a quick breakdown. This is my face before. Pretty much I'm only going to be using my foundation, which is from Beauty Bakery in the color 305W. I'm going to be going in with my concealer under my brow, eyes, and everything, which is Becca Long Wear Cinnamon. And then I'm going to be going in with blush, which is the Raisin by MAC. And then I'm going to be using these highlighters because I'm in here. Oh, Stud and Spike for my brows. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And so you guys will get to see the before and after. I just did my hair in like a pony with the braid because I'm going to do my extension pony so that way you guys can see that, since you guys have been asking about that. It's going to be really quick and super easy. I know on my channel my brows, they've been a little bit of a struggle because I use natural lighting, and because I use natural lighting there's always a dark spot which ends up making one of my brows look darker than the other. That's not really the case. It's just because of the natural light where it hits. They're normally the same shade. It's just the way I'm sitting downstairs makes it look a little off. With the house not being done, I try to find a good place to sit to still give you guys some decent visuals. And sometimes it works out perfectly fine, and sometimes it doesn't. So that's just that. So you guys, what I'm doing now is going in with the foundation, which is a darker tone, and I'm going to place it under both brows. That way it kind of blends out a little bit better. The other day I was rushing and I just went on ahead and just did this, and you could definitely see the halo under my brows. So that's why it's kind of important to add that foundation in there, so that way the color doesn't look so crazy. And I don't know if you can see that, but by adding in that foundation with it, just create a much softer finish.
You got the shot of the clothes and stuff and the shoes?
I didn't do that. Because I literally came out the shower. I'm like,
so this will be like a voiceover?
Yeah, it's already 5:30.
Yeah. Your makeup looks good.
Thank you.
So you'll just undo the ponytail and let the waves?
No, I just tucked this.
That's your real hair?
Yeah.
Oh, you hadn't put the ponytail on.
No, not yet. Alright you guys, what I'm doing now is adding in my foundation. What I like to do is just do one pump, and I don't even use the full one pump, and then I just put the dots over. Once I get done with blending around my cheek and my face area, I then take that same brush and I also apply it under my eye. That way, if I take a picture with the flash, I don't have like a cast. So I'm gonna go around my face first and blend out the foundation, and then after I'm gonna go under my eye. That way, again, it's not so stark. It's just a really nice blend. And if you look at my brow, you can see how one is getting darker than the other because of that natural light in my room, which is what I was explaining to you guys a little bit earlier. How do I look?
Yeah, you look good. It's pretty.
I like to do this kind of makeup, you guys, because it's so soft and natural. And I feel like one of the things that I really, really love is when people meet me in person, they're like, oh, you look like your Instagram.
Right.
Oh, you look like this. So I try not to do too crazy. And the funny thing is, you're really supposed to double up when you're on camera because it doesn't really show that much. I just don't do it just because I'm like, I don't want to put a whole lot of makeup on and then turn around. You end up looking like someone totally different. Even though there's still a change to my face, but I'm not like heavily contouring my nose. I'm not against it because I think people look absolutely beautiful. I just try my best to look like myself as possible. Especially for me, like growing up, I had big issues with like how I looked. And so now that I've gotten to the point where like I feel like I look okay with makeup off, I don't try to make it like my like crutch to like do it. So I try to put as minimal as possible. Again, whatever your journey is with makeup is your journey, but I'm just giving you guys mine. Like there was definitely a point where I felt like I had to wear makeup to look pretty. And so I'm just not there anymore. So now I know that like, okay, I just want to do a little something because I'm going out, but I'm not trying to like look like a totally different person. Again, I'm not against anyone doing what they want to do with their face and whatever. I just know my journey with my skin, how I looked. And it's crazy because now at my age, I'm like, I love being chocolate. I just love it. But I definitely got called all the names in the book by people who looked very much like me, which was kind of weird.
Weird to do that.
Yeah, but when you're a kid, you're not registering like you look like me. Why are you calling me these things? You're just
We're
like, you're just like, okay, I'm hurt.
Yep. They got their stuff to deal with.
You thought this was it my hair?
Because I forget how long your hair is. Because normally the past couple times I've seen it's been wrapped up.
Oh, do me a favor. Can you go to the room? I think there's some bobby pins on the counter. You're just
Bobby
grab.
pins? Like a handful.
All right, you guys. This is the ponytail. It's from Go Sleek Hair. So pretty much there's a comb, which I'm going to comb it to the side. And then I'm just going to wrap it around. And then I'm going to pin this, which covers the Velcro. Huh? All right, thanks. So you guys comb it in, okay, and then you just wrap it and you hold it in really tight, and then you just wrap it around so you can't wrap it anymore. Alright, you guys, and the ponytail is in literally 5 minutes to do my hair, which is like so freaking amazing. I just make sure I stick my little hair up in there, and I'm pretty much done with my makeup. Super easy and simple. I'm gonna spray this down. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed because it's already time to roll bounce. So you guys, this is what I'm going to be wearing as my fragrance. Of course, you guys know my deodorant and all that stuff, but for my fragrance, this is what I'm wearing. For my heels, you guys, I'm wearing these Tom Fords that I purchased about a month or two ago. I'm wearing these. I hope I'm not overdressed. I tend to go places and realize like, oh shit, it was casual. But the restaurant looked like it was a pretty nice restaurant. So hopefully I'm not overdressed. Alright, you guys. So let me just say now, my dress is from Forever 21. I'll link it. It was $22. The shoes is a little pricey. My bag is a little pricey, but for the most part, this is what I would consider like a very high-low look, because my dress was only $20, y'all. $20. Let me put some deodorant on before I be out here funky. Alright, you guys, I wanted you to get the whole shebang, okay? So the dress again is from Forever 21, $22. The shoes, Tom Ford's. The ponytail, Go Sleek. I want to say it was like $100 or something like that. And then I'm just gonna pair it with my bag. But dinner is at 6:30 and I'm already like running a little behind. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get myself situated, just because your girl's already late. It wouldn't be weird. So I know the video wasn't too long, but to be honest, like I really don't go out. Like I'm normally just like in the house, but I wanted to go ahead and just do this. So I know you guys have been asking about like my ponytail and just like my makeup in general. I honestly don't do a whole lot. Like I consider myself to be probably like super hella basic. Like I don't know, I like what I like, and what's comfortable to me is what I normally go with. So I just wanted to do that. I will be leaving the dress, the shoes, the pony in the description box if you guys are interested. But this has been like a lifesaver. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's been super easy. And to be honest with you, now that I'm looking at the actual thing, it's such a cute little vibe. I feel like the colors that I wear is the color that I have coordinated in the house, and it just looks really good. I like it. Alright, you guys, have a really great day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.